Kwaba kuhle kuhlangana endzabeni teswati la ke seyibiswana na ke sibukele thamba embili lo muhla. Le komiti lebukhetfo ku-ANC lihlabele solode ukuthi kube nemkhonyovu etinhlelweni temagala teqoka labo labatanga ngelukhetfo letikhundla tekhola ku-ANC. Umphathi womkhankaso welisekela leMengameli David Mabuza uthi le komiti kufanele lingathathi lihlangothi neyichuba inhlelo talo. Kanti ke indlu netekuvakasha Lindiwe Sisulu nayo yafaka isikhalo yaveta ukuthi imininingwane yalabaqokiwe ayifana nalelo ekhishwa ngalesibili. Mabuza neSisulu abakakhona ukuthola ukuqoka lokwanele kumagala ukuthi bangene kulomjaho wetikhundla.
Akunasisekelo kulishwa akusiko lokuhambisana nemtsetfosisekelo. Likomiti lingamele lukhetho lithi lahle ngelifastelo tinsolo taLindiwe Sisulu ukuthi leli uhlalo labaqokiwe aluhambisane nemininingwane levetwe kuleli komiti. Sisulu bekagcile isikhundla sekuba ngumongameli welicembu. Kanti uMengameli Ramaphosa nalona bekayindvuna yetempilo Dr. Zweli Mkhize ngibo labatogacela isikhundla sekuba ngumongameli welicembu. Leli komiti lithi Sisulu uthole emavoti lange-66 kuphela lekulinani leliphansi kakhulu kunalo 25% lathi yena umtfolile.
If a comrade like Lindiwe Sisulu would cast aspersions on that kind of a process, it means she's blaming the provincial and regional secretaries, and that is not correct.
Labanye labasola ukuthi bashayeleke esakeni ngulabasenkanjini ya David Mabuza. Lophethe umkhankaso Mabuza uthi ufake isikhalo esitophinzile dalo msebenzi waleli komiti. Namabuza uhlulekile ukumela lesikhundla sekuba ngumongameli ngoba uthole emavoti langu-196.
We are nominated there by 138 branches, and we can prove that. Our chief lobbyist is coming from Mpumalanga, is a PEC member there, is a treasury there. So if you look at that, it tells you that even the delegation going to the conference, there's a crisis.
What is the point of going public when you have not, there's not even a single letter from the campaign team of Comrade David Mabuza. So you see, these campaign managers must exercise restraint in terms of what they say in public, because they are beginning to bring the ANC into disrepute.
Mathila ucela emalungu emacembu ukuthi ahloniphe umsebenzi waleli komiti lelukhetho. Kusenjalo imithetho levunyelwe yi-NEC ivumela ukucatshulwa kwangekhathi kwemibango kungakapheli lenyanga lesetulu.
Ikomiti yePhalamende lebukhetfo bulungiswa yebabukeli umbiko kuchitjelwa kwemtsetfovivinyo wetelukhetfo. Njengoba molonga emkhandle lomele tifundza ePhalamende asawuchibela umtsetfovivinyo lesekulenzela ukuthi ubiso lePhalamende lesekulinzeleke ukuthi kuphothule kusebenta kwawo ngaphambi kwamthetho leshumi kulenyanga letako.
Ngaphambilini emalungu emkhandle lomele tifundza ePhalamende bewathe ngeke nje amane atiphasise letichibelo temtsetfosivivinyo walelikhetho. Emva kwekuthi wendluliselwe kuleli komiti ePhalamende. Emalungu ePhalamende ikomiti lebukete kuvikela netebulungiswa ente tichibelo tawo kulomtsetfosivivinyo.
Consider the proposed amendment clauses presented by the Office of the State Law Advisor with the Department of Home Affairs, confirming its agreement with the proposed amendments. I think it's the Department of Home Affairs, the Independent Electoral Commission, as well as Parliamentary Legal Services. The chairperson put the bill for consideration, and the bill was supported by the majority of members.
Shakusile tichibotendele ukuqinisa lomtsetfosivivinyo lokuhlose ngawo ukuqinisekisa lukhetho lolukhulekile nalungathathi uhlangothi ngekufaka ekhathi bambe labatimele labatawungenela lukhetho nga-2024.
I think the committee has taken into account the input of the public, has proposed amendments which will serve to equalize and create parity in relation to the signature requirements in the bill.
Letichibelo tifaka ekhathi kusungulwa kwelithimba lelitawubuka tinguculo kufanele tendiwe endzabeni letitsinza lukhetho. Leli themba letawenda lucwaningo bese lenta tiphakamiso ngaleto tingucuko lekufanele tendiwe. Luphiko temtsetfo ePhalamende lithi nangabe kutawushaya mhla tilishumi kulenyanga letako ePhalamende ungakaphakamiswa lo mtsetfosivivinyo kutawudzinga ukuthi kufakwe isicelo sokuthi kwelule isikhathi. I-ANC ePhalamende ivumile ukuthi iPhalamende kufanele ihlale igadzile ukuthi dingahle telulwe tinhlelo tePhalamende nakungenteka emalunga ePhalamende adzinga isikhathi lesengetiwe ukudzingidza ngalo mtsetfosivivinyo.
Takamtelo lokishi laseMlazi eThekwini lekwindzawo lekhongothwe bugebengu tendele libito lokuthi Akasekho lemakomiti etalati nemaphoyisa emmango kwendlela ukuthi asebenze kahle. Lokhu kuvelela umuhla njengoba kuqala umkhankaso wemhlaba wonke kulwisana nedlame lolubhekiswe kulabasikati nabantwana. Lo mkhankaso wethulwe ngivela nkulu lesifundza nomsadube encube eMlazi eningizimu yelitheko. eMlazi nasenanda kubikade gameko letsetulu tekubulala negagadlela kulelive. Ngizatheli yethu vusikhulumalo ikhulumisele 77 sesikhungo ithuthuzela lesita abantu labahlukubetekile.
sikhuluma la noJabulisile la ngozosichazela kabanzi asithathe asibeke esithombeni ngokuhlelo lokuthi umuntu uma efike la whether ingane encane nomuntu omdala uma kade ehlukumezekile nifike nithini kuyena iziphi iyalo enimnika zona ngaphambi futhi uthi aye enkantolo.
Sabonga kakhulu. Umuntu ohlukumezekile uma ngabe ehlukumezekile siyasicela ukuthi umuntu angakwazi ukuthi ahambe emaphoyiseni aseduzane noma akwazi ukuthi afonele iambulance noma maye nendlela yokwazi ukwenza indlela yakhe eza khona ngaphakathi esibhedlela asondelele khona ukuze akwazi ukuthola usizo oluphuthumayo because umuntu ohlukumezekile umuntu ofana njengomuntu olimele odinga ukuthi asizwe ngokuphuthuma. So uma ngabe efika ke la eThuthuzela Care Center ifile konke kuvulwa khona la eThuthuzela uzokwazi ukuthi abonwe yiphoyisa elizokwazi ukuthi limenzele lokho sikubiza ukuthi imvume yokuthi udokotela amhlole.
Lo Jabulisile Langa ongomunye wama coordinators lapha eThuthuzela Care Center chaza kabanzi-ke ngohlelo ukuthi umgilwa ohlukumezeka kakhulukazi laba hlukumeza abantu besifazane kanjalo nezingane basizakala kanjani lapha sibuyela kunini studio siyabonga kakhulu.
Emaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal aphethe amacala amabili ekubulala kulandzela kubulawa kwelunga lesetulu lendlu ebuKhosi besive seMazulu kanye noGatsa walo. Kukholela ukuthi umntfwanenkhosi Mbongiseni Zulu bekade avakashela hlobo kwaNongoma nyakatho lesifundza KwaZulu-Natal ngesikhathi bahlaselwa.
Umntwana Mbongiseni Zulu ubesondelene kakhulu nesilo oMesuzulu. Ukubulawa kwakhe kuze emuva kokudluliselwa esilweni ngokusemthethweni isitifiketi sombuso waso ngenyanga edlule. Kuthiwa umntwana ubehamba nomunye umlisa ngenkathi behlaselwa. Lesi sigameko silandela ukubulawa kaDokotela uDumsani Khumalo ngoSeptember obengumeluleki weNgonyama.
It is one incident after the other where we see the killing of the people who are close with the king. There must be stability now.
Amaphoyisa athi imbangela yokuhlaselwa kwabo ayikaziwa.
Police at Nongoma are investigating 2 counts of murder following an incident that took place at approximately 6 o'clock last night. It is alleged that 2 men, one aged 63 and the other aged 33, were in the area to visit relatives. As they were about to leave, they were attacked by unknown individuals who opened fire on them. Both the men sustained multiple gunshot injuries. One of them passed away in the scene and the other was taken to a local clinic where he passed away.
Undunankulu KwaZulu-Natal uNomusa Dube Ncube unxusa amaphoyisa ukuthi asheshe ayibophe igilamkhuba wanxusa nezakhamuzi esifundazwe ukuthi zingaxatshaniswa ilezi gameko zobulawa kwabantu abasondele endlunkulu. Bongani Gema indaba ze-SABC eThekwini.
Kuthuthukiswa kwekhonqani kuvetwe njengendlela emqoko ekuphathweni kwemithombo yemanti. Lokhu kuvetwe indlela yemanti lekhanjiswa kwendle senzo mkhulu. Mkhulu nomlingani wakhe wase-Mozambique Carlos Mesquita sayine izivumelwano sekusebenzisana ekuphathweni kwemithombo yemanti ehlangothini lwemifula. Labaholi bavumela ukuthi imithombo yemanti isengcupheni ekuthekamedwa kuguquguquka kwesimo selitulu.
Emanti indvula indlala kanti kusemcoka ukuthi ongiwe kuguquguquka kwesimo selitulu kwenta lesimo sibe bucayi. Live Le-Mozambique naleli bahlanganyela lawo mandi lamancane lakhona ngakho-ke lamave asavumelene ngekwakha lidamu.
We have a shared water basin and we need to make sure that we manage this water. So there is no conflict between the two countries. South Africa has advised that we must build a new dam and to see what kind of impact it will have on our side. The most important thing is that this affects communities. When we have floods, it affects communities, infrastructure and agriculture. The population is growing and we need to be more and more prepared economically.
Sitinsita tibalulekile ekuthuthukisweni ekuvikeleni nasekusetshenzisweni kwemithombo yemanti lekwabelana ngawo.
We are very much into ensuring that there is availability of water both for economy but also as security from the perspective of water for our communities because of the new demands.
Lesivumelwano sitawuphinza siqinisekise kwabelana nangelwati mayelana nendlela yekwanakekela kanye nekwavikela.
Batali babantfwana labashona enzaweni ecitsa koma eNyobeni bakajabule ukuthi umnikati walenzawo waphila amacala labeko wona. labatali bathi sakhangela ndevu nemkakhe Vuyokazi abafuni kuvuma ukuthi banesandla kule nhlekelele babonile amacala ekuvumela abantwana abangaphansi kweminyaka ukuthi bangedele indzawana ukuthi babathengisele utshwala lelicala litawuphindze libuyele enkantolo mhla tinga-25 kumabasa kulomnyaka lotako.
Usuku luqale ngabazali bebamba umngcelele xeshikweni kusiwa kwinkundla. Banikize ngoxwebhu lwezikhalazo kumasipala ombaxa eBuffalo City, igunya abantu lezotshutshiso kunye nebhodi ejongene nentengiso yotywala ephondweni. Bafuna kuphinde kuphicothwe ingqwalasela ekubhubheni kwabantwana babo. Kwafunyaniswa ukuba kukufuthaniselana okwabangela babhubhe, nto leyo bayikhaba.
Sifuna uyazi into kubana abantwana bethu babulewe yintoni na, kodwa ngoku nanjengokuba sasitshilo into kubana ezinye izinto zifuna umcimbi wengalo yomthetho okanye kwicala lethu abantu abazawusimela.
Ukanti ibhodi ejongene nentengiso yotywala ephondweni ithi akuzintsuku zatywala ixuthwe ilayisenisi yabo yokushishina.
Ndiyafuna uqinisekisa into okokuba ekugqibeleni la license sizawuyicima ingabikho.
Igunya abantu lezotshutshiso lithi linetyala eliqinileyo ngakwesisibini kumba wentengiso yotywala. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze-SABC eMonti.
Emakhulu bathenga ngachitha ebusuku ngaphandle kwetitolo letinkulu kuleli kwendela kungena kucala kuthenga impahla emanani laphansi Black Friday. Kepha ke lana bathenga beliphasi nalelo bekade lilinzelwe letinye tukhungo tetitolo.
Noma besimo semnotfo sisibi takhamuti takulele tivuke ngembulukusa totifunela lokhu letikudzinga etitolo. Kwendeka lokhu linani lebantfu labangasebenzi lenyuke intfo longakase uyibone. Kanti ke nekunyuka kwemalimboleko kwenta tintfo tibe madima kakhulu. Emkhatsini walamabili bathengi babonakale bafole emigceni lemitse ngaphandle kwalesitolo batifunela tintfo ngemanani laphasi njengoba kuyi-Black Friday.
The item that I was looking for is the price is pretty much the same because I was here a few weeks back. I've just been keeping an eye on it every time I was around. I just come in just to see what the price is looking like. So after coming in today, it looks like it's still in the same range.
Lisekela lemphatsi wesitolo igame Andrew Stein uthi ngekusho kwelicwaningo lelendiwe bantfu bakuleli labang 550 bebavele bakulungele kuyetitolo boyothenga.
We did a big survey and almost everybody that we interviewed said that they would shop both online and in store. And we can see from tonight that certainly in store is still there for South Africans.
Labanye bathengi basibe bavele bayibekile imali yalelanga kanti ke labanye bathi bathathe isinqumo sokuyotibonela ukuthi bangathengani ngaloko labanako.
I've saved for Black Friday, and honestly, for the past couple of years, it hasn't. But today, I see a lot of improvement compared to prior years.
I didn't budget for it. I just saw that the store is open. I stay around, so I decided to come and see if it's really Black Friday.
Njobe Black Friday seyifikile sikubutile ukuthi ungayisebenzisa njani imali yakho ngebuhlakani kwatise ukuthi nangibhimbidvane usemnyango lona ngumbono wakho mbukeli iSABC ngeke itfese elicala ukuthi iphendvulela nango umbono wakho uyalandzela.
Kule Black Friday mina ukuze ngisave imali ukuthi ngingathengi noma kuphela ngithenga into enginesidingo sayo nebe ngehlelele ngabe sengiyangela ukuthi manakho izinto zingamanani aphansi.
Bantu abasebenzisa imali ngebuhlakani bangathathathekisa ama-advert lababona lapha e-TV. Nangabe mhlawumbe kunetimvo lotibona lapha e-TV elethishiphi hamba utithenga ngobe utidzinga.
Ukusebenzisa imali yakho nge-Black Friday ube usebenzisa i-credit card ibe ne-repo rate inyuka andiyibone bubulo umkho masifaseni amabhandi ubomi buthande ukuba nzima.
Mina ngithi imali yami ngayisebenzisa ngokuthi ngithengele lokho lokudzingekile kakhulu ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi nabhimbidvane sosemnyango imali kwamele ukuthi ngayidlaphathisi.
Etimake eThilrand lahlekelwe ngamandla lalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave. Sitibeka lapho talamuhle nasibetolo sikhona simo selitulu nakuyimbala sonto iphephe ngemsombuluko bakhona balingani bethu besindebele sale kahle.